Let's go, let's go. Let's check out their burger. Guys, we drove 40 minutes. Came to New Jersey for a burger. Let's check out the halal burger. This looks good. Look at the bun. Red, black, or green. Let's go check it out. Everybody's busy looking at. Look at this. Colorful. Red, green, black, blue. Oh, that looks good. You know, we came from the Bronx to get burgers over here. Yeah.
So far, I see that. You don't have any.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, we are waiting for the burgers. I know, yo, they have all those different color buns. Yeah. But they don't have all those colors today, only red. You ordered this.
You bite it first. I didn't bite it off.
This is just burgers are coming, guys. Look at that.
Look at Michelin Gurabana Delhi na. Azio live again.
How is it? With cheese and stuff.
It's very good.
Oh, that's a very good.
Cheese
Where? Oh. How do I know which is what? Huh? Mine says mozzarella. That one's mine. I know mine comes in mozzarella sticks. I think this is mine because it's when I turkey.
Move the tissue.
The tissue. What a trace right there.
Okay, that was I got the Kobe to them now. Wait. Bismillah, let's try this.
Put your burger here. Let's take a
Look
photo
at the
first
bun.
before you eat
Just
it.
look at the bun. Look how burger. Look at how big it is. Check it out.
Here time here. Color in picture.
Everybody is busy taking pictures.
Forks are right there.
I don't need forks. I'm just gonna eat it like that. Tyler, take a bite. Tyler, take a bite. Look at how big it is.
Oh my god, now I have a whole
Okay,
onion
sure.
ring in there.
Those fries have takis inside. Takis and cheese. Tastes so good. Okay, it's almost done.
Will that work?
I'm trying to finish it. So good and it's huge. Look at she's trying to finish it. It's done. Okay, we couldn't finish the fries. We're taking it and we ordered extra classic burger to take home. Let's go. Finally done. We're out. Now look at him. He won a few and he got so much tissue. Okay, we're about to leave, so. It's a good spot, guys. Let's go. So guys, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and stay with me to watch more videos. Just to show you guys the name, Burger Station in New Jersey, guys. This spot was really good, and they have different colors of buns. The bread, you could get either black, blue, red, you know, a whole bunch of other different colors, which is really cool. So guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and stay with me to watch more videos. Till then, I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Oh, it's cold. Okay.